Welcome to Broker NAID registration tutorial. How to become a selling broker with HUD. Let's start by preparing to put all the pieces together. Gather in PDF documents your TIN documents. This would be your tax ID number. A copy of your business IRS letter showing its EIN, your real estate broker's license, your driver's license, a recent utility bill or bank statement for proof of address. Now it's time to prepare a password. Find a piece of paper or type it in your notes. It needs to be at least 12 characters, at least one number digit, at least one special character, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter. No less than 12 characters, of course, and save this in a safe place. Now log into your browser and see at the top of the page where it says www.HUDHomeStore.gov. Go there so that we can get started. Directly underneath that, you'll see a spot that says NAID Portal. Click here to go to your next step. It should automatically transfer you to the NAID application portal. Click Register for Principal Selling Broker access to the NAID portal. Next, it'll allow you to select the application below. I am a principal broker applying for a new NAID. To register for access, you will enter your principal selling broker's email address. You will then type it again for confirmation and hit submit. On the next screen, you're going to register for access. You're going to be giving your principal selling broker's information and checking the appropriate boxes and filling them out, including uploading some of the PDFs that we have discussed, and making sure to click that you're not a robot, to then click register. Just like in real estate, we say location, location, location. Verify, verify, verify. Verify all your information before submitting it. This message will appear letting you know that the information on the application cannot be changed until after HUD approves you. Click Return to review or change any information, or click Submit to send the pre-screened application to HUD. After your request is submitted, the license is verified against the online licensing system. If the broker's license can be automatically verified, you'll receive an email with information on how to complete your registration and begin your online NAID application, as you can see below. In some states, this is not possible, and HUD may review the registration pre-screening themselves. Once your registration is approved, you will receive an email telling you how to complete your registration and begin your online NAID application. Once you have the stamp of approval, you will click the blue Here link to display the screen in which you can create your password. Remember, we wrote that down earlier. The username is always going to be your email address for the broker that was entered during step 1. If you wish to grant access to additional people to help maintain your NID, click Grant Access. Note, an email address change for the broker will also update the username for the broker and only can be accomplished by using the Change My Email Address option. To begin the NAID application, please go to Add a new NAID for a new payee. Now you can register as a bidder because you have an active NAID. You would go to the HUDHomeStore.gov, click Register, then Bidder. If this is your first time logging in, you would set up YardiOne, or you can click Sign In as a returning user for YardiOne. For the principal broker, you would select Principal Broker with NAID. Continue to move through the prompts until you have completed your whole profile. And then, congratulations, you are all set up. Don't forget, the Yardi Help Desk is always just one click away. Save this page for future use.